The Nifty 50 closed the session with a 0.13% down, ending at 25,356 points. Similarly, the S&P BSE Sensex finished at 82,890 points, down 0.09% from the previous close. HG Infra Engineering shares jumped over 5% to 1,579 rupees in Friday's intraday trade on BSE after the company received an order worth 716 crore rupees from Central Railway. Najara Tech share price. Najara Technologies shares rose over 4% to a 52-week high after announcing plans to acquire a 47.7% stake in Moonshine Technology for 832 crore rupees and invest 150 crore rupees. The price of gold in India today is 6,705 rupee per gram for 22 karat gold and 7,315 rupee per gram for 24 karat gold. Godfrey Phillips India shares surged as much as 11% and hit a record high of 7,430 rupees and 95 paise on 13 September in the run-up to the company's board meeting to discuss the proposal for a bonus issue. The company stated that its board will meet on 20th September to approve the bonus issue in the ratio of 2:1, meaning 2 bonus shares will be issued for each share held. Investors lapped up shares of Bajaj Twins, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv as they rose up to 3% on 13th September ahead of much-awaited market debut of Bajaj Housing Finance on 16th September. The 6,560 crore rupees IPO of Bajaj Housing Finance attracted highest number of bids by value ever in Indian history. Shares of low-cost airline SpiceJet have hit a 7-month high on 13th September on strong trading volumes, rising by over 10% as news flow in the company continues to remain active. Securities and Exchange Board of India, SABI, Chief Madhvi Puri Bach stated on Friday that she had complied with all disclosure and recusal guidelines issued by the regulator.